guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I have a very special guest. This is Emily, a very good friend of mine. She is from Emily and Crafts. Be sure to leave a link down below, or I'll do it. Don't worry, you guys don't have to do it. And today we are going to be doing the Piping Bag Christmas Slime Challenge. So I am so excited. This is the very first Christmas video of the year 2018. I am just so excited. And we have all of these really gorgeous piping bags.
I love that one.
Look at this gold. Okay, you guys just have to look at how gorgeous these are.
This one's like blended because we didn't have green glitter glue.
I know. So
That's
I'm
nice.
just going to show you guys which ones we have. So we have small microfloam beads, large ones, and we have gold glitter glue, red glitter glue, silver, and green. So I am so excited. I am just like,
I can't wait.
I know. I'm so
How many
excited.
times can we say like in this video?
I'm like. And without further ado,
let's get started.
So how this is going to work is I'm going to close my eyes, pick one, and we're going to go back and forth, and we're just going to go until all the piping bags are gone. So we're each going to get three piping bags to make our slime. Emily, go ahead and close your eyes. I'm going to
But I don't know where anything is.
All right.
Ready? First one my hand touches.
Go. She picks two.
Okay, let's try again.
All right.
I didn't mean to.
All right, close your eyes. Well, this one fell out. All right, go ahead and pick one. Just.
Oh,
she got the miniature ones.
I wanted the mini ones.
She just like go.
Oh, I haven't finished yet.
Next.
Okay, ready? Go. Oh, nice!
We both got beads. I was afraid like
Okay.
both of us were gonna get both of the flow beads. All right. Next round is glue. So these are the options.
I really want the gold.
Okay.
I love the
Okay,
gold.
close your eyes.
Okay.
Just go ahead and pick one. Why do you always grab two?
I'm not trying to. I can't
Okay,
feel the
we're gonna
difference.
restart that. So close your eyes.
I can't even feel the difference.
Okay, go ahead. Just pick one.
I
got the gold.
I wanted it so bad. It's just so pretty.
Look
and
how gorgeous! It's a
sparkly.
golden carrot.
And like we put clear glue on top, so it kind of
So-
like is blending.
It's so gorgeous.
Okay, go.
I
got the red one.
I got red. Look how gorgeous that is.
I really want this silver and
Oh,
gold
I'm
because I
so
just think that's gonna be
excited.
so pretty.
Okay. All right. Those are your last two options. Those are the
I
colors that you
really
pick.
want that one.
Okay. And then I get the one you don't pick.
So
So.
that giggle sounded really fake. It wasn't fake, guys.
Okay. Close your eyes. This is the last final two. Okay, go.
These were all the ones I wanted. This is so great.
Alright guys, so these are the ones that I got. So I got green glitter, red, and large white foam beads.
I got silver glitter, tiny white foam beads, and gold. That
She
is
got the
really
gold one I
epic.
wanted.
I got all the ones I wanted. I feel kind of bad. These are the ones I wanted.
So we're
that's
just
the
gonna go ahead and cut these open and start making our slime. We're gonna go ahead and grab our bowls. Alright, now we have our bowls and our really fun Christmas spatulas.
I love them.
Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and take our scissors and cut them into our bowls.
Alright, first up I have my miniature foam beads. That. Alright.
Gorgeous.
Whoa.
It looks like snow.
That's so epic. I want to stick my hand in this. We didn't even use the whole bag. It feels like so much though. Big hole. I breathed into it.
Alright, so first I'm going to be cutting my red.
Is it really satisfying?
Oh my goodness, this is so satisfying to squirt out. You guys.
That looks so cool.
Oh.
This is so good. So I want to see that one.
It's okay if a little tip goes in.
Where did my tip go?
It's okay, we'll find it. Look how
Whoa, look at it cover it.
That is gorgeous.
I don't know where the tip went, but it had glue in it.
Okay, if the piece goes in, I'll pull it out later.
Piece of. This
Look at all
is
this
the piping
snow.
bag slime. So you put your piping bag in it at the end.
Yeah.
You know, cut it up.
Look at all of this snow. This is officially a Christmas challenge.
Oh, it's so great. Okay, so next up is my gold glitter glue. I'm super excited about this because I just think it's going to be super gorgeous. Let me pull that out.
Look at that.
I'll do a heart.
Perfect satisfaction right there. Oh, that's really gorgeous.
Look at the clear glue now.
Oh, I love the gold. Your slime's gonna be so gorgeous.
I'm so excited. I think yours is going to be really pretty too.
Alrighty, so now lastly, I have my green one. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Look at it fall in.
That's
And it
really
like
satisfying.
covers it.
It
That's
just
so
melts
epic.
in. I love this, you guys. This is probably one of my favorite challenges I've ever done.
It's beautiful.
I could feel the glitter like when I squeeze it through the plastic.
Oh my word, because it's thick glitter compared
Yeah.
to the other ones. Well, look at the silver.
That looks so cool. Look at the silver and
It's
the
so
gold.
thick.
Oh, look at the green.
Whoa, it looks
Oh, look at the
so
top.
pretty.
Okay, these slimes are officially so gorgeous.
They're beautiful.
I love these. They're definitely Christmassy. That's for sure.
Mhm.
Look at all the green and the silver. I'm so excited. All right, now we have our activator. We're just gonna go ahead and start activating our slime. I feel like it's really funny that there is absolutely no red in this. Like the green just totally took over. I'm kind of confused. But you know what? It's all good because I like green. Green's a fun Christmas color.
I know it's
Okay, guys, it's time to roll up my sleeves because I feel like this is gonna get messy. Sorry, my elbow's like in your Look at this, guys.
Look how thick.
Alright, guys, we're gonna do the smell test. It smells like glue.
It was like a really weird consistency that it just kind of fell apart when you touched it. And now it's still really sticky, but it's actually coming together more.
Yeah, it's grabbing. Emily got all the colors she wanted. She's like, oh, I really want silver and gold, and I also want the mini foam beads.
I know.
So
And
she
then,
got
like,
all of
as I
them.
would go, I got the mini foam beads first. And the second round, I'm like, I really think for sure I want the gold. And I pull out the gold. And in the last round, I really want the silver over the green. Silver. Like, grab a little piece, a little sticky.
This is a really gorgeous Christmas challenge.
It's a sticky slime.
So thick. Mine's done.
It's
How about
really
yours?
thick and heavy. Mine's
Yeah.
about done. I just need to knead it some more. It needs to be kneaded. It needs to be kneaded. It needs me to knead it.
Oh,
Really
look at this. This is how you build muscles.
I don't go to the gym.
So here are our finished slimes. They are so gorgeous. They are definitely Christmassy.
It makes me think of like the star on top of a tree.
Yeah.
And yours is the tree.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, we don't want to touch them though.
Hallelujah.
Oh, look how far I got it to stretch.
Don't get in my droopy antlers.
I'm gonna try to attempt to make a. Look at all those. Look at that. It's so cool looking. Oh, that didn't really work. Oh, the crunches were good. The crunches are good though. Here, everybody listen to the poke. The poke's pretty nice. I like it. I feel like the more you eat it, the more stretchy it gets.
Are you gonna have people that
Ready? Wait,
say
3,
do-
2.
Do they think
Yeah,
that
I will.
sounds
I
okay?
will. In a
That's
second.
what I want. Can you see my face?
Yeah.
I wondered if you could. Ooh, there we go.
Yeah, squeeze it. There you go. That looks really cool. Look at that. So here's my finished slime. It's super stretchy. I like it. I don't know if you can see me. It's kind
so
of foggy,
stretchy.
but
Yeah,
ready?
it's
I'm gonna
like
try to
blurry,
get
but
some
it looks
crunching noises
cool.
out of this.
Nice. That's how you get crunching noises.
Alright, we had so much fun filming this video. Be sure to comment down below who you think won this challenge. me or Emily.
It was so much fun.
We had so much fun filming this. I love the piping bags. I just think this was so much fun. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Ding! And again, don't forget to check out Emily's channel. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you next week!